A muscle car to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's the real deal, 1970 Pontiac GTO two-door hardtop, numbers matching 400, 350 horse V8 underneath the hood. That'd be a YS block. Also a numbers matching TH400 automatic transmission. It does have a little tribute to the Judge with the vinyl you see on the sides. Power steering. Original color, Atoll Blue. 28 is the paint code on this one. $250 for the trim coat, so blue interior. Let's take a look at the iconic front end on the 70 GTOs. If you want to see the still pictures, I suggest take a look at the underside of this car. Southern car. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It is riding on the Pontiac Motor Division rally-style wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. I do want to point out a few issues as far as the little body. Touch-up paint here in the passenger front fender. Also on the hood, got a little kink there. And a little paint missing on the tack. You can see that back there. But paint does have a nice shine to it. It's one of those cars. Get in and drive it. Have some fun. You can actually get into a true 1970 GTO without breaking the bank. And also a solid car from judging by those underside pics. And I'm going to get into some more things that have been done to this car recently. Let's take a look down this passenger side. According to the previous owner, in 2024, new brakes were done, as well as thermostat, radiator, and hoses. Master cylinder also in 2024. So this has some new components to it. Get in it, turn the key and go. Of course, bucket seats, vinyl, center console. Seat belt still intact. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look here in just a bit. But first, I want you guys to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Wanted to show you around those wheel wells and the lower rockers are on the passenger side also. Take a good look at the trunk and the still pictures, also solid. As you can see, dual exhaust, and it does have some newer exhaust components from basically your exhaust manifolds back to what appears to be Flowmasters on there. And there are some exhaust components and other parts that will come along with this car. It has a newer Edelbrock 1406 carb as well as gaskets on it, and that was done in 2023. You see air cleaner, some spare belts, again exhaust components, air cleaner, jack, full-size spare. That will all go back in the trunk and go with this car. You'll be able to check those out in the still pictures also. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these 70s muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Technician did note that there is some just drivetrain seepage, and that's from a car that's been driven. It's, like I said, it's one, get in, turn the key and go. Jason is going to take this car for a drive at the very end of this video, so stick around so you can see how it goes down the road. I have a feeling this one dries out pretty nice. And again, solid up and down this driver's side. Paint does have a nice shine to it. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. I mentioned the wipers worked on it also. Some of the gauges were in op, as well as the tack and blower fan. Wipers did work. There's a good look at the door panel. Again, that blue interior, it appears that it could be the original interior also. Would not surprise me. And again, seat belts intact. Front and rear, of course, you have the two receivers, one for your shoulder belt and one for the lap belt up front here. Pioneer aftermarket stereo AM/FM cassette. Let's go ahead and fire this up a second there. I'm going to pump it a bit. I haven't had this one running recently. There we go. A little cold-blooded. At 400, we're going to let it warm up just a little bit. Again, you can see Pioneer looks like a super tuner. I have not played around with the stereo. Take a peek at the dash. Top of the dash looking good. Alright, aftermarket gauges. Oil pressure, battery gauge. That was a cold start, as you can see, so temp gauge is not up. 400 is just a little bit cold-blooded. We'll let it warm up. Give you a look at the rest of the dash. I did mention wipers work. Alright, that should be warm. Again, numbers matching. 400 cubic inch, 350 horsepower YS block. Sounds good. Nice rumble coming out of that. Deep throaty exhaust. And again, check out the exhaust components on the underside pictures. Let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped open, check out the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end because Jason's going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood pop. Give me a peek at the underside of that. And how about engine bay? There's that Edelbrock floor barrel, again installed in 2023. Gasket's also done at that time on the carb. New master cylinder, radiator, thermostat, hoses done in 2024. And still the original YS numbers matching block, as well as turbo hydromatic 400 transmission, numbers matching there too. 1970 Pontiac GTO 2-door hardtop, a little tribute to the Judge striping on it. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1970 Pontiac GTO. One of the best looking muscle cars of all time. In my opinion, it's gonna be this car. Maybe top 10, what do you say? This is an automatic on the center console, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. Equipped with a hood tack. Now that tack is not running, but it is hood tack equipped. The ram air hood. Speedometer's working, it may be reading a little fast. This car has great acceleration. We're going to check that out again after the roundabout up here. Clock equipped right here on the right side. Now our factory gauges aren't moving, but under the dash, from Sunpro we have the oil pressure showing 65 to 70 psi. The volts are right in the middle of the gauge. Temperature 185. That's all looking good. The wipers work, the blower motor works. Manual windows, they of course are working. Factory looking bucket seats, blue on blue car, just beautiful colors. There is some slack in the steering, and the steering wheel is mounted upside down from the looks of it. That doesn't really affect the performance. Both our turn signals are working. There's a little bit of a tug to the left when braking. So this car could use some TLC, but it is quite the project. It is quite the worthy of your time project. There, we were still in second, and acceleration pulls hard. This is a good running car. You know, looking around inside, the headliner's looking good. Seats look pretty good. This car doesn't need a whole lot of TLC, and it is one of the greatest, like I said, muscle cars of all time. Take a look at all the pictures of this 70 GTO at uniqueclassiccars.com.